Building underground has some subconscious allure to most people. From its appearance among hobbits and dwarves in fantasy to the tunnel and bunker projects among preppers and hobbyists, underground structures pop up frequently across cultures. Large-scale underground commercial and multifamily housing projects have been proposed across the planet, often bearing the name earth scrapers. The closest thing to earth scrapers that have actually been built are underground transportation tunnels and the infamous parking structure of the Sydney Opera House, most of which came in over budget. Builders only turn to excavation as a last resort due to the high cost of digging, transporting, and then disposing of dirt and rock. I propose a combo jetter and vac truck that could be used to reduce the cost of all three by jetting and then pumping mud into permanent perforated aluminum or polyethylene forms. These forms could be used on site to make rammed earth walls that could be used both as cladding and for interior partitioning. I don't think that rammed earth should be used structurally without very specific soil types, and soil usually isn't consistent enough across the project to provide a consistent amount of structure. But the soil doesn't need to be very consistent for cladding or partitioning within a permanent form. While rammed earth is not recognized in many building codes, it has the ability to outperform many other materials in terms of its resistance to sound, heat, water, and kinetic damage. The Grenfell Tower disaster was exacerbated by a flammable insulation layer in the structure's exterior cladding. Fires in high-rises and other large structures have had historically low fatality rates over the last couple of decades because of building codes requiring fire ratings in many interior walls and doors that will contain or delay the spread of fire through the structure. Rammed earth walls have had a great track record throughout human history at heights up to 1 story. Increasing their height will require some pioneering techniques like the addition of rebar binders and fastening to structural members that will cut into the economic viability of rammed earth as an alternative to trucking away dirt to a landfill. Even short rammed earth walls often require sorting and remixing of soil in order to achieve satisfactory results. So rammed earth is probably not the secret to economically viable earth scrapers, but it may increase the economic viability of underground parking garages or standard basements in certain soil types.